Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay in CapCut PC and laptop. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut and click on new project. And then you simply need to click on import. So I'm going to import the videos. So let me import this video and click on another video like for example this video. Okay, so first I need to put this video on the timeline. Okay, and now I want to overlay this video, so I simply need to hold that video and put it on the upper side of the video. Okay, and after that here you can see, so let me add like this video, make it like this, and here you can see that I overlay this video on the top of this video like this. So here you can see that. So this is a process, you can use it according to your need. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.